I'm Matt and I'm going to show you how to style and organise your laundry. Keeping a tidy laundry will help declutter and organise your life. For this project you'll need some temporary hangers, some assorted baskets and some 3M hooks and grippers. As you can see, this cupboard is a disaster. We've got rags everywhere, we've got bottles of stuff, brooms, pegs, nothing's organised. If I had to find something in this cupboard quickly, there's no way I'd be able to do it. First thing you need to do is take everything out of your cupboard and group it on the bench. Use baskets to keep all your different items grouped together. You can pick up these baskets at Bunnings. Your baskets don't need to match, in fact it's a really good style point if they don't. These little baskets are great. You can pick them up at Bunnings. You can hook them on the back of your door to maximise your space. .3M have a great range of temporary hanging solutions, so you can hang things on your wall without wrecking your paint. I'm going to hang my mop and broom off the floor with these great 3M grippers. To make sure they stick properly, make sure you follow the directions on the back of the packet. If you need some extra storage, pick up these stackable boxes from Bunnings. This tension rod is great for renters, as you don't need to screw anything into the wall and creates extra hanging space for all your wet clothes. These over door hangers are great if you need that little bit of extra hanging space. You just slip it over the door, pull the bottom out, and there you go. Our laundry is clean, tidy and organised. Everything has a place, nothing will go missing again. So now I've cleaned the laundry, I guess I've got to clean the rest of the house.